How to search jobs online using screen reader, presented by Sony guys. Today we are going to talk about Google Job Search, Indeed, LinkedIn, and for those of you who are in accessibility, a11yjobs.com.
Google Chrome left parent joy on 7 right parent search region search edit combo.
So we are on Google search page now, and we are going
Virtual PC.
to
Google Chrome left parent virtual search edit combo search region.
type accessibility jobs in Seattle. There's job keyword is accessibility, and you have to put jobs there. Accessibility, jobs, and typing your city, Seattle, and enter.
Accessibility jobs in Seattle Google search Google accessibility.
Now you go heading by heading. I'm pressing H.
Accessibility links heading level 1. Search mode heading level 1. Search results heading level 1. Jobs heading level 2 link.
Here, you just press down arrow.
Link near Seattle, law. Jobs tab selected.
Here, jobs tab, you just press enter to activate.
https://www.google.com/search question window equals 1 and save equals off and
So here,
beginning
there are a bunch of things.
Virtual PC,
so,
virtual PC.
For example,
go back button. Visited accessibility clear search button. Visited link Google. Accessibility clear search button. Search button. Google app Google account jobs tab selected save 5 tab alerts tab main region.
So there are jobs tab and save tab. This is the job that you want to save and you want to look at it later. And then the alert tab. This is you can set an alert here. You just put set alert, and whenever new jobs comes in for your search criteria, it will email you the jobs for that day or whenever it comes in. And here you can do the filter by title, location.
Save file alerts tab main region. Show filter heading level 2 search filters container. Title button. Location button. New menu button. Date posted button.
So I see date posted is quite useful because you don't want to look at jobs came out like old days, like 2 months or 3 months ago. Those things, it's not useful. And then actual job is in list view. So you just press Ctrl N to go to the end of the page and press Shift C.
Jobs list preview.
Then go in there.
0. Jobs list preview.
And you get it.
Accessibility technician lighthouse for the blind Seattle, Wavia Glass store posted 16 days ago. Full time not selected save.
So 16 days ago you say, and you just press enter. Let's see how it goes. And then you just press
Virtual
heading.
PC.
Oh, you press. You have to turn off the forms mode by pressing numpad plus. Press H now.
Accessibility technician heading level 2. Save button.
Here, this is the save button. If you press save here, this job goes to the save tab.
Share button. Lighthouse for the blind. Seattle, Wa. Link apply on Glassdoor. Posted 16 days ago. Full time.
So that's how you read and how you use Google Job Search.
Job search vertical bar Indeed dash Google Chrome dash left parent joy on 7 right parent. What job title keywords or company edit. Job title keywords or company.
So I'm on Indeed job search page now, and first input field is this search criteria. You can put title or keyword or type, whatever. But usually I just put title : because that way I can limit the search. Usually accessibility, if you type something like that, because these days many jobs require accessibility as their higher criteria, you get many results there. So I just type title : accessibility. You can put space or no space. Usually no space is okay.
Where city, state, or zip code edit. Seattle, Wa.
So already I have this Seattle, Washington is default search criteria because I searched before. Indeed cookie remembers this, and press enter. And it will pull out different search.
Accessibility jobs, employment in Seattle, May 2020 vertical bar Indeed.com Google Chrome.
There, and then you can navigate heading by heading.
Accessibility jobs in Seattle, heading web / accessibility tester 3 visited heading level 2 link. Heading level 1 accessibility jobs in Seattle, comma. Visited heading level 2 link web slash accessibility link tester new heading level 2. Mobile developer left parent accessibility link right parent new heading level 2. Accessibility technician heading level 2 link.
So these things, you can just go in and search. Also, you can save here that you like, and you can revisit later, and you can apply from here. And also, you can filter it by usually implement type is something that important. If you are looking for only contracting job or part-time job or full-time job only, you can filter it out, and that is useful for this criteria.
Link to dash Google Chrome dash young left parent show young 7 right parent. Visited link jobs.
Okay, I'm on LinkedIn page, and it's linkedin.com, and you just go and activate job on linked list, insert F7,
Links list dialog. Links list.
uh,
My net. Jobs 5 of 65.
jobs, enter,
Banner region. Primary navigation region. Jobs link. Jobs vertical bar link to dash Google Chrome dash young left parent show young 7 right parent. Main region.
and you just go to
Search jobs edit combo. Main
search
region. Search by title.
field and type accessibility. This is
Multiple
only
suggestions period.
example.
Use up and down keys to navigate.
You can type anything.
Selected. List box. List box. Accessibility. Accessibility user experience designer.
So they give you these suggestions, but I will just select accessibility,
Accessibility.
enter.
Jobs vertical bar LinkedIn. Alert
Here.
explain. Loading job details. Accessibility.
So as you see, it pulled out accessibility from whole United States, but
Virtual PC.
I have no intention to move at this point. So I just
Type to search for connections and conversations period. Search location edit combo. United States. Banner region. Search region.
changed the
City.
search
Blank.
location to where I live, Seattle.
Alert explain. Please enter a valid location.
I just typed after this
E L
United States, so
E
you
O
have
S
to
E T
delete
T
everything.
T U blank.
Now,
List box. List box. Seattle, comma Washington, comma United States.
okay, enter. Then
Search
it
results
was
region. Jump to active job details. HCL Technologies logo accessibility. SME promoted.
so here. This search page doesn't have heading navigation built in, so you have to browse everything. Is kind of awkward, but still, well, LinkedIn is one of the biggest uh, site that people post jobs, so it's very popular. So use LinkedIn. Also, they have a filter. You can set alerts. Also, you can save your jobs, because if you register and you log in with your login ID, then your saved job is there.
Digital accessibility jobs, comma employment vertical bar a11jobs.com dash Google Chrome dash young left parent show young 7 right parent. Digital accessibility jobs, comma employment vertical bar.
So we are on a11yjobs.com. This is a digital accessibility job dashboard. They did such a good job that you can browse all the 11 accessibility jobs available in the United States, and you can browse by article, and you can browse by headings. And for JAWS, heading 2 is a title, heading 3 is location. But if you press 3, it will read, like, let's say, if you press 2 for heading 2, it will just read the job title only. But if you press H3, it will read title and headings all together. Look.
A digital accessibility job board. Heading level 1. Head of digital inclusion, comma accessibility and standards. Heading level 2. HM revenue and customs. Flexible. Heading level 3. Senior accessibility tester. Heading level 2. Ilumino, Cincinnati, comma O. Heading level 3. Web accessibility and usability specialist. Heading level 2. Ilumino, Cincinnati, comma O. Heading level 3.
So like that, you just press H3 and keep going, and it goes. And also there is on the first heading under there, you can sign up newsletter. They will email you every week that their news. And I think this is very good sites for those of you who work in accessibility field. Good luck for your job search. Leave your comments if you have any questions. Give me your feedback or suggestions for any improvements. Like and share this video if you think this video is useful, and also subscribe Sunny Guys channels and set alarms for future videos. Thanks for watching.